ko na before, pero we had to burn a painting. We had to burn our prop kasi feeling namin cursed. So, yun, medyo creepy sa set.
Guys, how does it feel na finally mapapanood siya ng public after mag-premiere sa International Film Festival and getting good reviews there?
Yeah, I mean, sobrang thankful kami for all the reactions, sa good reviews. Syempre, we're looking forward sa reaction ng Pinoy audience. Iba pa rin, syempre, we made this for the Filipino audience. Very proud and honored to have premiered outside the country, but ito talaga yung intention namin. This is for the Filipinos.
Evan, your thoughts? Mapapanood ng Pinoy,
I
finally.
know. We had advanced screenings na, and then we saw how, sobrang ganda nung mga reviews na binibigay nila sa amin. Ang tataas ng mga reviews, lahat sumisigaw. Fans namin, hindi namin fans, lahat sila, ang sinasabi lang nila is, it's worth it. Sobrang mapapatili kayo and isama nyo dapat yung barkada nyo so it's more fun.